Welcome, question 11. This is on linear sequence. Welcome. Let's look at the question 11 of Nigerian WASSCE Federal Mathematics. Given that 11 P, Q, R, S, T, 29 are consecutive terms of a linear sequence, we have to find the value of P plus Q plus R plus S plus T. So all you can see that we are just finding the sum of all the terms, with exception of 11 and 29. So these are all the elements we are finding the sum. So the idea of the sum of the terms of all AP can be used here. We can also as well find the individual values of the variables and add them. So let's look at the two approaches and see. If I am dealing with the sum of the terms here, it means I am dealing with all the sums here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With exception of 11 and 29. So let's go for sum of terms. We have n over 2, 2a, but in this case, the common difference cannot be easily determined. So let's go for the first term plus what? The last term. So your first term is the 11, the last term is what? 29, and the n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this means that the sum of all the seventh term will become 7 divided by 2 multiplying 11 plus 1, 29. So in this case, I should be having 7 divided by 2 times, this is 30, 40. You can see that this 2 will be going here 2 times. So I'll be having 7 left, 2 going here. That will be 2 and 0, so 20 times, giving us 140. But this 140 shows the sum of all the 7 terms in the sequence, but we are not looking for that. Just the variables in here. So this implies that your P plus Q, R, S, T will be equals to the total sum, which is 140 minus the sum of the remaining 2 that we are not adding. This is 30, 40. So this is going to be 40. And that will give us what? 100. So the values we are looking for is just what? 100. But alternatively, we can as well find the values of each of the term. So how do we do it? We know the last term. So this is the last term here is the seventh term. So we can pick the seventh term, which is U7 equals to A plus 6D. That is the seventh term. And we already know what the seventh term is. That is 29. So 29 equals to 11 plus 6 what? D. Let's bring this one here to be 18. Divide that will give us what? 3. So your common difference is going to be 3, meaning P is going to be 11 plus 3, 14. Q is going to be the next term plus 3, 17. R is going to be 20. Then T is going to be 23, right? Let's check. This is plus 3. We have 14 plus 3, 17 plus 3. We are going to have 20. This is going to be S. That will be 23. Then T is going to be 6. So therefore, if I add P, Q, R, S, T, meaning I'm adding all these values. And that will be, so I put them down. Okay, let's go 14. Let me start from here. 14 plus 17 plus 20, 23, 26. If we add all this, this is 1, 2, 3, 30, 39. No, 60, sorry. 60, 69, 70, 80, 93. We have what? 100. You can also pass through this, knowing the various variables, add them together, you get the same value. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back to question 12.